Rise and shine. Folks, ready to jumpstart your day? This 7-minute morning workout is all you need to wake up those muscles and boost your energy. Let's get started. Number 1. Warm up 30 seconds. Begin with a gentle warm-up. Reach up high and then stretch side to side. Breathe deeply. Number 2. Jumping jacks. 30 seconds. Now let's elevate that heart rate with some jumping jacks. Keep your arms straight and land softly. Number 3. Push-ups. 30 seconds. Strengthen your upper body with push-ups. You can do them on your knees if you prefer. Number 4. High knees. 30 seconds. Time for high knees. This will get your heart rate up and engage your core. Number 5. Body weight squats. 30 seconds. Engage those legs and glutes with squats. Make sure your knees don't go past your toes. 6. Plank. 30 seconds. Now let's fire up that core. Keep your body straight and hold. Remember to breathe. Number 7. Lunges. 30 seconds. 15 seconds each leg. Strengthen and tone with lunges. Alternate legs and maintain balance. Number 8. Bicycle crunches. 30 seconds. Work those abs with bicycle crunches. Twist and touch your elbow to the opposite knee. Number 9. Mountain climbers. 30 seconds. Keep the energy high with mountain climbers. Drive those knees to your chest. Number 10. Arm circles. 30 seconds. Time for arm circles. Go both forwards and backward to engage those shoulders. Number 11. Glute bridges. 30 seconds. Activate your glutes with bridges. Lift those hips high and squeeze. Number 12. Cool down and stretch. 1 minute. Great job. Let's cool down with some stretches. Hold each for about 20 seconds. That's it for our 7-minute morning boost. Remember, every morning is a fresh start. Make it count. If you enjoyed this workout, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Have an energized day.